Hello, and welcome to the lesson overview for week 3. My name is Mrs. Kravchak. I am a Virginia Beach teacher at White Oaks Elementary. Our big idea this week is both problem solving and addition and subtraction of fractions. You'll know you understand when you can apply strategies that help you solve word problems, when you can add and subtract fractions, including mixed numbers, and when you can apply your understanding of fraction computation to word problems. This is your homepage for week 3. You'll notice that your main questions are what strategies help me add and subtract fractions, and what steps help me think through problems. Your I can statements for this week are I can use the context of a problem to determine the operation needed to find a solution, and I can determine the sum or difference of fractions and mixed numbers. Your lesson this week, again, is broken into 4 stages. The first step is going to be engage. You're going to think about what you know, looking at some terminology, matching the definition to the term. Then you're going to watch a video that reviews some of these words, and you can go back and change any of your answers if you want. Your step 2 is to explore. You have multiple options here to explore. All of them are animated math models to review adding and subtracting fractions. Each of these options is going to walk you step by step through the process of adding or subtracting fractions or mixed numbers. You're going to have a chance to do the math, practice independently, and even quiz yourself to see how well you understand. Step 3 is to elaborate. I have 2 challenge problems here for you. I'll give you a warning though. Challenge problem 2 is really a challenge. Both of these options are going to give you a problem and walk you through the problem-solving process using some of the strategies that we've been using in previous weeks, including visualizing and finding the hidden question. They're also going to include some hints if you need them while solving the problem. Step 4 is to evaluate. You have an exit ticket here asking you to add and subtract fractions within word problems. Check your understanding. If you miss any, you can come back to this screen and click on that number, and there will be a video that will explain the problem for you. Don't forget the additional resources you have on your home screen. This week they include some additional practice with adding and subtracting fractions that include visual models, along with a couple different games that you can play to continue to practice.